Welcome to DigitalBix Fashions. Here is a list of top 4 styles of jumpsuit for men and how you can style them to turn drop dead dapper. Number 1. Dungaree jumpsuit. Laid over a white t-shirt and topped with an overcoat, Dungaree jumpsuits are the new thing in town. Dungarees are the cool, easygoing wear for men with the fun-loving personal. This slim fit, full-length black Dungaree is sure to give your peers a fashion inspiration. Number 2. Romper jumpsuit. Rompers have officially hit the male fashion cut mainstream. Also called play suit, the one-piece jumpsuit style is currently being touted as a simple summer choice for men. This particular one is a black romper jumpsuit with vertical zips, 2 side pockets, 2 chest pockets and concealed zipper. Number 3. Tie-waist jumpsuit. With supreme adaptability, basic jumpsuit with little detailing are spurring as a fashion option for men. Olive green solid jumpsuit with a shirt collar, short sleeves and elasticated waist is an in-vogue pair of jumpsuits which will spoil you with the goodness of endless comfort throughout the day. Number 4. Denim jumpsuit. With runway's freshest denim threads, denim jumpsuit for men is top-notch. From rompers to dungarees and speed suits to polo jumpsuit for men, denim will never disappoint. It is time to warm up this extraordinary silhouette and style. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe DigitalBix Fashions.